Do not play this with your friend Shirley. Am I right? Shirley,
This is a lot going on.
Wait, how long is yellow?
3 minutes?
Okay, I'm going for it.
Okay, I'm gonna check my other 5 minutes because surely it's been 5 minutes, right?
Oh!
They're taking it.
How long is the pink?
Surely it's been.
How long is the white?
Oh, the white is.
5 minutes.
You can hop around. You can change flowers.
Surely it's been 10 minutes.
Surely it's been 10 minutes, right?
Surely it's been 10.
Yeah.
How long
good,
is
good.
the pink?
I have no idea. Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's
I'm
30
done.
seconds,
Your
1
turn.
minute, 2
Okay.
minute, 3 minute.
5 minutes.
Okay, surely it's been 3 minutes.
And
Blue?
how long was the pink again?
How long's the
And
yellow
Liv,
again?
you could probably pull the top one
Soon.
and get 25 points.
Yeah, you could probably beat there so soon.
And you could probably win.
Surely it's been 10 minutes.
Well,
Shirley has it. Shirley.
Surely it's been 1 minute.
Surely.
White. How much is the white?
3 minutes or 5 minutes?
Okay, surely it's been a minute.
How many minutes is the yellow?
30. The 3.
We should find like a 24-hour version.
That's so fun.
The big one's 24 hours.
Okay. Well, how long was the white? Okay, I have a question.
I have a
How long
straight.
is the yellow?
Yellow is 3 minutes.
It's surely been 3 minutes.
Surely.
Surely been 3 minutes.
Surely it's been 3.
Come on.
Come on.
Not even close.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You got it. Oh, you don't have to do anything.
So how many is pink?
2.
Surely it's been 10 minutes.
No. Surely it's been another 1 minute.
Surely it's been
How long is white?
it's been
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Surely it's been 5.
Surely it's been 5 minutes.
Anders, has it
Ross
been
is
5
playing
minutes?
mind games.
Surely it's been 5 minutes.
Surely it's been.
Oh! Attack, yes.
Sure.
Surely.
How long is
just took advantage.
How long was the pink?
2 minutes.
Okay, surely it's been 2 minutes.
Yes.
Nice.
She got a chip, hasn't she?
It's been.
Okay, surely it's been 5 minutes. Phew.
Nice, good job.
Good work. Okay, my blue, because surely
Hello.
it's been 1 minute. Surely it's been 30 seconds, so I'm gonna just.
Yeah.
Okay, now surely it's been 5 minutes.
It's been 5 minutes. Surely.
No stalling. Let's go.
Right, you're right.
Oh my God. Surely it's been 5 minutes.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Go for it.
Yeah, it's been 5.
Oh!
Surely it's been a hot, juicy red 10 minutes.
If you pull it, it ends the game.
Surely it's been 10 minutes.
We're stalling. Got it.
Do I think it's been 2 minutes?
Surely.
Yeah, it has been.
Surely.
Yeah, it's been 2 minutes.
No! No!
It has been
Surely.
5 minutes.
Surely.
Has it been 5 minutes?
Definitely.
Let's go.
Question about
Yeah.
the yellow. How many minutes is the yellow?
3.
Surely.
Surely it's been 3.
I'm not gonna survive the winter.
Okay, surely it's been 3 minutes. I'm going for the yellow.
Surely it has been 5 minutes.
Surely.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, I'm gonna go for this pink because surely it's been 2 minutes.
Nice. Surely it's been 3 minutes. On this yellow. Surely. No! My mom went, oh!
Surely it's been 2 minutes on this pink though, right?
Okay, I'm gonna take, I'm sure it's been a minute. I'm sure it is. Phew.
Surely. We're
And
friends.
then surely it's been.
Nice.
Surely it's been 3 minutes.
Surely.
Surely it's been. Wait, is it 2 minutes?
2
And the
minutes.
pink?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Surely. Nice.
That was a close call.
Okay. And maybe Shirley. And maybe,
Maybe Shirley.
It's been maybe Shirley.
Yeah, you are, but this blue, surely.
We take this yellow. Surely it's been.
Oh no.
Shirley really betrays us.
Toss.